There's a 16th question from Digital SAT, Test 2, Module 2. B is a hard set of math questions. Number 16 reads that one of the factors of this is x plus b is positive constant with smallest possible value of b. You could do this by hand. I show this in a longer video. To get to the longer video, go to IB Masters Learning Center on YouTube, playlist, Test 2, Module 2B, number 16, longer videos just above shorter videos. But you just do this in Desmos, and when you throw it in Desmos, what you see is your x-intercepts. You've got 0, you've got negative 8, and if we zoom out some more, we've got negative 13. One thing that you want to know is that your factors are going to be opposite your x-intercepts. So what do I mean by that? So your last step is x plus b equals 0, and then you subtract b from both sides, you get x equals negative b. That would be your solution, but notice x plus b is a factor. So it's opposite that negative 8 is positive 8, opposite that negative 13 is positive 13, 0 is just 0. We need it to be a positive constant, so 0 is gone. We need the smallest possible value, so 13 is gone, 8 is your answer. See the following video. I told you. Have a great day.